right now the Fieldhouse is nearing the end of part 1 of phase 1, where the Fieldhouse actually is being completely renovated from the inside out. The floors have been completely sanded and redone. The walls have been painted. There's new lighting system in there. New sound system has been put in. They're setting up the infrastructure to put the bleachers in, which will be coming in another month or so. Part 2 of this first phase, though, is then completing the addition to the building out by door 4, where there'll be restroom facilities, concession stands, and new ticket office, where everyone will enter to get to activities. It currently is scheduled for the actual Fieldhouse, the court, to be completed sometime in October. Well, the biggest feature will be the opportunity or the ability to seat 2,000 students or 2,000 fans at any event. Right now, our current spectator gym only seats about 1,100, so we'll have a much larger capacity. Some of the other features that we'll have is new scoreboards, a new video board. Certainly, we'll have the new entrance and concession stand and ticket stands for it. But the main feature is certainly going to be the new court that we'll have out there to compete on. I think the most interesting or the most compelling fact about the Fieldhouse is that it's really a combination of everybody in the community that's come together to make the project a reality. So really, it's like the entire East Side coming together to make sure that this facility will become probably the best in the city.
Signing off, this is Aidan.
Signing off, this is Joseph.
Signing off, this is Ale.